I just acquired this 1993 John Deere lawn tractor from my law partner's dad. It came with the 38-inch mower deck. It's got a plow. It's got the wheel weights. This 240, which is the last year they made it in 1993. It's got 17 horsepower Kawasaki single cylinder engine in it. Batteries up front, which is different than on my Craftsman. First thing we're going to do, because it's snowy, so I'm going to take this mower deck off and put the blade on and see if we can push some of the snow around. It doesn't look very difficult. I can just show you the connection points. Don't know what these wheels do. We'll figure that out in a second. But it looks like there's a connection here and a connection here. That should be it. There's some corresponding bolts that hold the mower on. Here's what that looks like. So it looks like mainly there's that connection point, and then there's one up front, and then this belt. So I'm going to take that off. If there's any issues, I'll let you know. Otherwise, I'm just going to do it. Before I take this off, I wanted to just show you what the belts look like. I'll show myself later. So I did remove this from here. There's another arm inside here. This one, that one over there that I need to take off. But the belts themselves, you can see this belt that runs the mower goes on the front side of the middle pulley. See if I can make that brighter, if I can get it to focus now. So it goes on the front side of this middle pulley, and then it goes back to the rear pulley, around that, over to the driver's side, right side of the mower, if you will, around the outside of that pulley. It comes here. And, I assume there's another pulley in here. It goes around the back of that. The upper pulley just goes around, just goes straight back from the pulley connected to the crankshaft. That's all there is to that. So I'm going to pop off these. I can't even really tell if they're fixed. I think it's spring-loaded. I don't know. I'm going to carefully support the mower from underneath, lift it up, and then remove these two, and I should be able to slide the mower deck out. It looks more difficult than I thought to get the upper part of this arm off, so I'm going to just pull this pin out on both sides. Reach underneath over there. No, you're not going to be able to do that. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Guess it's out. This seems sort of obvious to me now, but I was having problems. So these hook onto this bracket up here. And what I didn't understand, see there's the other one over there, is that this bracket will move up and down with the lever over there. All right, the final thing I did was, there are two of these gold bolts, and there was only one of them in it when I got it, right there. So I used the one that was in the lawnmower and put it there. I think that's what's supposed to happen. So it's all bolted together, goes up and down. Let's get the chains on and give it a try. This would be a much better job for the snowblower to do, but we're going to try it with the plow first and see if we can get through this. What do we got here? It's kind of heavy. It's not too much. It's like 4 inches maybe, but let's see what we can do with the plow. Well, I got that far, and now it stopped moving, and I can smell rubber burning, so something's going on. So it goes. I'll figure it out. Alright, I figured out why it's not working. I'm not sure why it's not. I don't know why it happened, but this pulley up here, which is hooked onto the crankshaft, the belt, and it's hard to see here, but belt needs to go around it, and it has come off. I know these belts are really old and in bad shape, so that probably has a lot to do with it. So I'm going to try to get this belt back on this front pulley up here, and that should solve our problem.